Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the tank and the Python Aquarium Cleaner for action. Turn off lights and reduce filter flow, then secure the quick connect at the hose and tap. Make sure seals are tight. Place the intake along the substrate edge and angle toward debris, because suction works best when the tube follows the bottom. Once you have a reliable siphon, prime the line by lifting and releasing, and begin gentle sweeps, slow, deliberate strokes to avoid stirring clouded water. You continue by cleaning methodically across the tank, using 15 to 20-minute passes so you do not remove more than 25% of water at once. Move the wand in short, controlled strokes to lift debris, then hold suction steady to draw it away. Think grid patterns to cover the whole substrate. Make sure to watch fish behavior during these passes, because signs of stress mean you should pause, lower suction, and let the water settle before resuming cleaning. You finish by restoring stable conditions. Reconnect the filter and heater, then top off with dechlorinated water at the same temperature to avoid shock. Rinse the Python hose and wand, drain residual water, and inspect O-rings and quick connects for wear so future seals remain reliable. If the siphon fails, check for air leaks at fittings, reprime the line by lifting and plunging the intake, and if necessary, raise the intake slightly to
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.